here at Mount Comfort, Indiana. This is the location and home of the Chuck Sham Training Center. This week we are hosting one of our new hire classes, and it's targeted towards our new hire technicians. Our 3.5-day new hire course is going to involve a classroom environment. Also, you're going to do a lot of hands-on. You're going to sit at a desk. You can work on the doors. We can take panels off and watch them operate in real time. We're really proud of our training program, and what we've seen is a higher retention rate for the employees that have had the opportunity to attend here.
I can't say enough good things about Stanley, to be perfectly honest with you. Never been treated as well, never been flown out for training, come to a center and actually learn on-the-job tasks, but actually have them reinforced here. It's been quite an experience so far. I don't learn very well by just seeing, I learn by actually doing.
The training here has been excellent. When I go back, I'm going to be a lot more comfortable after this class, especially with all the tools that they've given me.
Here at Stanley, we believe we provide best in-class training for our technicians, which is going to produce the most qualified technicians out in the field.